Hello dear friends. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where wood comes to life. Today we will show you the collection of eco-friendly woodworking project ideas with recycled materials. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor and crafts ideas videos daily basis. At Kuki Decor, we are passionate about bringing you creative wood furniture ideas, nature-inspired design tips, DIY projects, rustic textures, minimalist shapes, and eco-friendly furniture ideas that tell a story. This is your place for inspiration. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. To never miss these inspirational furniture, decor and craft ideas, smash the notification bell so you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like, share this video, as your likes and share enable us grow our channel to give you more content in return and keeps the ideas flowing. Thanks for being here. Let's make something beautiful together with Kuki Decor. Nature offers some of the most sustainable materials available, especially when working with fallen branches or small logs. With a little imagination, these organic forms can become part of your home's design. Drill tea light holes into log slices for rustic candle holders, or mount branches on a board to make a one-of-a-kind coat rack. Cut small sections of thick branches and affix hairpin legs for minimalist stools or side tables. Larger logs can even be hollowed out to create planters or storage. If left with bark on, these projects add a raw, untouched aesthetic that blends seamlessly into both rustic and modern interiors. Recycled wood isn't just sustainable, it's also unique. Every knot, grain pattern, weathered edge, or nail hole adds charm that freshly milled lumber simply can't replicate. Pallets, old crates, fence boards, and cabinet doors offer textures and tones that tell a story of their previous life. Using recycled materials is also cost-effective, often freely available from local businesses, construction sites, or your own home. By giving discarded wood a second life, you keep it out of landfills and reduce demand for newly harvested lumber. If you're after a more substantial project, consider building a bench or entryway table using reclaimed floorboards, barn wood, or old furniture pieces. One popular idea is the farmhouse bench, built from old beams with a whitewashed finish. Another elegant design involves using a live-edge slab as the tabletop, preserving the natural contours of the wood. Pair it with repurposed metal legs or a vintage drawer base for added character. These statement pieces can serve as the centerpiece of a room, combining utility with sustainable values. Gardening and sustainability go hand in hand, and creating planters from recycled materials is a natural extension of eco-friendly woodworking. Old wine crates, dresser drawers, or fencing panels can all be transformed into plant boxes, raised beds, or vertical gardens. Paint or seal them for outdoor durability, or leave them natural for an aged patina. Vertical garden walls made from pallets are especially popular in urban spaces, offering an efficient way to grow herbs or succulents without needing ground space. With clever construction, you can even build stackable or modular garden units that adapt to different environments. Wall art from recycled wood is one of the most visually striking and creative ways to reuse materials. By arranging planks of varying lengths, widths, and colors, you can craft geometric patterns, chevrons, or abstract mosaics. These can be framed or left unframed for a rustic, modern edge. For more intricate projects, try your hand at pyrography, wood burning, or carving. The beauty of this kind of decor lies not just in its appearance, but in the fact that it gives forgotten wood a new stage to shine. Scraps too small for furniture can be given new life as warm, ambient lighting. Driftwood or branch segments can be hollowed out slightly to hold tea lights, while larger chunks can support pillar candles. To add a decorative element, use carved or laser-etched designs that allow light to pass through. For outdoor use, consider building wooden lanterns with reclaimed window panes or leftover slats. Combined with solar-powered lights, these lanterns become an eco-friendly way to illuminate pathways or patios. When working with recycled wood, it's important to maintain its integrity and finish it in a way that aligns with your environmental values. Avoid finishes that contain harmful volatile organic compounds, and instead opt for water-based stains, natural oils like tung or linseed, and homemade waxes. Sanding, planing, and sealing are essential for safety, especially if the wood's origin is unknown. Make sure to work in well-ventilated spaces and wear protective gear when necessary, especially when dealing with older paints or finishes that may contain lead. Eco-friendly woodworking isn't just a trend, it's a responsible, creative, and rewarding way to practice the craft. By reusing what others discard, you not only help protect forests and reduce waste, but also embrace a style rich in texture, history, and soul. Whether you're building functional furniture, home decor, or simply experimenting with smaller creations, working with recycled materials deepens your appreciation for the wood itself. It teaches resourcefulness, fuels innovation, and keeps tradition alive in a rapidly changing world. So the next time you see a pile of scrap wood or an old piece of furniture waiting to be thrown away, look closer. Within those cast-offs lie the seeds of your next beautiful, eco-friendly masterpiece. Thanks so much for watching. I hope today's idea sparked some inspiration for your own space. Here at Kuki Decor, we are all about turning simple wood into something truly special. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts or ideas for future projects. And if you haven't already, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss a new DIY. Your support means the world and helps Kuki Decor keep growing and creating. Until next time, stay creative and keep building beauty.